MT Manager and best settings and hacking make will to app mode. Yes, I am actually downloaded full pro mode. If you download, link description. Please and subscribe my YouTube channel. I am use how to use this MT Manager. Click MT Manager. I'm actually downloaded. What is this two sidebar? Yes, click this extract APK users and system apps. I'm users app hacking will today make modes. Okay, please do subscribe and like my YouTube channel. And I am at this CapCut VPN Pro. Yes, I'm at this CapCut. Yes, more. I'm on launch not extract APK. Copy